IsArray method is used to check if a given value is an array. I have created a simple example to demonstrate how to use IsArray method. First of all, let's understand why we can't use typeOf operator to check if given value is array. In first log, we check what's the type of the object, and it prints out object, as we would expect. Now, in our second log, we check what's the type of array using the typeOf operator, and it prints out object as well. That is because under the hood in JavaScript, all arrays are actually objects. This is why we need to use IsArray method instead of typeOf operator to check if our value is actually an array and not an object. To check if a value is an array, you need to call IsArray method on array prototype and give the calling method whatever value you want. You should use IsArray method whenever you need to verify if the value is an array or not.